Hi, this is Jennifer with the Jen Sense Aromatherapy, and thank you for stopping by and checking out our Phytoaromatherapy Business Development 1 course. This is part 1 of 2 courses that I've put together for you. If you were looking at getting into aromatherapy for a business or developing it on a professional level, then you will certainly want to take this course, this package of courses that I've put together for you. Everything that I've learned, my blood, sweat, tears, challenges, trials, tribulations, to the successes that I've had with developing, building from scratch, ground up. So whether you already have an aromatherapy business and you're looking to boost that up, or you're brand new and you're starting, you will want to take this course. You will receive an ebook that's in there, so you will have everything in writing that you're able to take notes along the way. I've included exercises. That way, every topic that I talk about, from business planning and financial development, that you are able to work those worksheets. And the goal would be, by the end of taking Business 1 and Business 2, that you will have everything that you need. Your business will be off the ground, running, so now you can get it going. You can also manage it, but that you have the skills to grow it and to develop it, to reach all of the goals that you've set, short-term goals and long-term goals. So we hope that you will join us in expanding our businesses together, and we will see you there.